Let's unbox RD INTREX M888 high luminous projector. This is a main console with safe packing. Your lens cap, 180 mm lens. You can project up to 320 inches. And this is the accessories you will get with this projector. 3D glasses, power cable, remote control, 3 RC cable, 3 RC adapter, and this is a HDMI cable. Projector lens cap, 2 stereo speakers, and this is a 188 mm lens. Coming to the left, you can see one cooling fan here, and back side you can see power on off power adapter, 2 HDMI ports and 2 USB ports. You can connect Dish TV, laptops, Amazon Fire Stick, and any of Chromecast dongles, Redmi Fire Stick. And this audio out, you can connect any of your home theaters, and this is the audio in. You can also connect your old DVD players and set-top box, local set-top boxes, with the help of this cable. And this is a VGA, you can connect to your old systems, and this is a remote receiver. And here 2 more cooling fans, total 3 cooling fans in this projector. And in the top you can see manual buttons, power on off back, source and menu, and here is the lens focus adjustment, and this is a keystone, manual keystone. This is a projector, weight easily up to 4 kgs. You can also seal this projector to your seal mounts. You can see in full lighting also. This is the settings, brightness, color settings, and this is the color temperature, aspect ratio, projector, flip settings. And this is a pen drive videos I am playing now. This is a best clarity projector in the market right now, with 5500 luminous, 30,000 hours bulb life.
along the veins of
the 4K video.
Lovely. First boundary, tail rattle off the back foot.
గంగరాలన్నీ కళ్ళు తిట్టింది గంగరాలున్న జుట్టు తిట్టింది గింగిరాలైతే నడుమంపుల్లో నన్నే తిప్పింది అమ్మో బాబు గారి బొమ్మ ఓయమ్మ నయపుల బొమ్మ రబ్బరు గాజుల రంగు తీసింది బుగ్గల అంచున ఎరుపు రాసింది రెప్పను కట్టిన గాలి పట్టంలో నన్నే గరేసింది అమ్మో దాని చెప్పుకమ్మో
పడమర కొండల్లో వాలిన సూర్యుడా పగిలిన కోటలనే వదిలిన మారేడా పడమర
You can also connect Amazon Fire Stick. You can watch all the movies and YouTube, Netflix, everything. You can connect any of your Amazon Fire Stick and Redmi stick and make this projector as Android.